Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to update any graphics driver in Windows 10 or 11. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. After watching this video you will learn how to update the drivers and you will not have to watch many other videos. So first of all, right click on the start icon and select Device Manager. In the window that opens, select Display Adapters. We see which video card we use and remember, right-click and select Update Drivers. Next, select Search automatically for drivers and wait. So the best drivers for your device are already installed, that's fine. But we'll use another third-party application that will definitely update our drivers to the latest versions. Close and go to the browser. As you can see, I have 3 sites open. I will definitely leave links to them in the description. So if you have an Intel graphics card, select the first site and click install, and with this application you will automatically update the drivers. If you have an AMD graphics card, then go to the second site, and on this page there is a step-by-step instruction for installing the application, which will help you. Well, the last one is NVIDIA. Go to the website and select your parameters. For example, I filled in my own. Next, we look for the application and download it. This is how you will definitely update your drivers to the best values. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.